Hi, my name is Amy with WTI. Are you looking to bring some fun, some nostalgia into your kitchen or diner? Well, this chair by Richardson Seating will do just that. You know when you get a product that looked so good in the pictures, but when you get it, it just doesn't look as nice? When this came in, I literally said, wow. Not only was it beautiful, it was noticeably heavy and more sturdy than any chair I've ever owned. These are made for restaurants, so I know it's going to hold up forever. And I love that it comes fully assembled, unlike so many things I've bought in the past where I have to spend my weekend putting it together. We all can appreciate a family-owned business, and this third-generation run company has been making commercial-grade furniture in Chicago since 1975, so they definitely know what they're doing. Look at this gorgeous cracked ice red vinyl reminiscent of the chairs in the 1950s. And the piping gives it a real nice finished look. My favorite part is this handle. I love not only the look of it, but the practicality of being able to move it in and out with ease. The 2-inch padding is comfy enough to sit and play cards or visit with friends for hours. I am crazy about this chair. Whether you own a diner and are looking to give your customers an authentic experience, or you want to bring a fun retro look into your kitchen, I think you will absolutely love these diner chairs from Richardson Seating. They are top-notch quality, they're so much fun and nostalgic, really a must-have, and that's my point of view.